What is an AI agent? An AI agent is an intelligent software program designed to interact with its environment, collect and analyze data, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Unlike traditional programs that follow rigid instructions, AI agents can make decisions autonomously, adapt to changes, and improve their performance over time. Key characteristics of AI agents. Keycap 1 Autonomy. AI agents can operate independently without constant human intervention. However, some may include a human in the loop for oversight and control when needed. Keycap 2 Memory and Personalization. They can store data, learn user preferences, and personalize interactions. Advanced agents use large language models, LLMs, to process information and make intelligent decisions. Keycap 3 Perception and Processing. Agents gather data from their surroundings, e.g. sensors, databases, user inputs, and interpret to determine the best course of action. Keycap 4 Tool Usage. They can leverage external tools, such as web browsing, accessing the internet for real-time information, code interpreters, executing scripts to solve problems, API calls, integrating with other software services. Keycap 5 Collaboration. AI agents can work alongside humans or other AI agents to complete complex tasks more efficiently. Types of AI agents. AI agents can be categorized based on their decision-making capabilities. 1. Simple reflex agents. O react to current situations based on predefined rules, e.g., a thermostat adjusting temperature. 2. Model-based reflex agents. O maintain an internal model of the environment to make better decisions, e.g., self-driving cars predicting traffic. 3. Goal-based agents. O take actions to achieve specific objectives, e.g., a chatbot helping users book flights. 4. Utility-based agents. O choose actions that maximize efficiency or satisfaction, e.g., a recommendation system suggesting the best products. 5. Learning agents. O improve performance over time using machine learning, e.g. AI, that adapts to user behavior. AI agent architectures. AI agents can be structured in different ways. Keycap 1 Single Agent. O acts as a standalone assistant, e.g. Siri, Alexa, or a personal AI helper. Keycap 2 Multi-Agent System. O multiple agents interact cooperatively or competitively, e.g. AI trading bots in financial markets. Keycap 3 Human-Machine Collaboration. O agents assist humans in decision-making, e.g., AI doctors aiding in medical diagnosis. Real-world applications. AI agents are already in use across various industries. Customer support, chatbot handling inquiries. Healthcare, AI diagnosing diseases. Finance, automated trading systems. Smart homes, voice-controlled assistants. Have you used an AI agent? Many people interact with AI agents daily, whether through virtual assistants, recommendation systems, or automated customer service. As AI advances, these agents will become even more sophisticated, seamlessly integrating into our lives.